Hi everyone, this is Maria and I have another fun unboxing for you today. These are the mini Cupcake Surprise Princess dolls, and these are the little miniatures. They look so cute. I just made a video of the larger Cupcake Princess dolls, and so I thought it'd be fun to do one with the minis too, because minis just tug at my heart. And so there are 12 little miniature dolls in all, just like the other set. And so, but I don't have all 12 because I only bought 3 packages, and so that makes 9 different cupcakes. It says that they come with 6 different scents, and look how cute they are. $1.99 from the 99-cent only store. And so that's my favorite 99-cent store. It looks like we're going to need some scissors to open the ends, so I'll be right back. Looks like there's a little bit of tape here. So with my scissors very carefully, I'm just going to snip that, and I'm going to open that. I think I will do that with all of them right now. And so let's go ahead and do that. What I just realized with my other video with the larger Princess Cupcake dolls is that I forgot to check the scents. And so they smell like different things like strawberries and lemon and other scents. So we'll remember to do that with these. Okay, here we go. And so let's go ahead and start with this one. It looks like they come in a little tray. How cute is that? Look at that. So you can put your little cupcakes in there. Isn't that cute? And so let's go ahead and take the other ones out too. And so I see there's like a little rubber band here holding them down. So I'm going to remove these. Okay, and let's go ahead and lift this. Whoops, that one fell right off. They're really small. Look at this. And so this is the little hat. You could see the little elastic, and that will go on top of her head. She's got blue hair, where the larger ones were more like brunette and blonde, and sort of a little strawberry blonde. Oh, look at this. Okay, the larger ones had fabric, and so this is molded, but still very cute, very cute. And so let's go ahead and put the hat on. And so let's, sort of reminds me of a little fairy. And so let's go ahead and put her hat on. So I put the little rubber band, the little elastic right under her chin. Look how cute she is. She looks adorable. Just really like her. So let's go ahead and set her here. And so here is the second one. There's green icing with a cherry on top. Oh, this one has blonde hair with a little blue stripe. How cute. The little pink dress and the little purple top with a bow. Just really cute. And so let's go ahead and put her hat on. And so I'm just going to stretch this little elastic right over her head, just like this. So the elastic fits nice and snug, so it's not going to fall off. Isn't this cute? How pretty. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Now this one, the little cupcake top had fallen off. And so this one also has different color hair. Let's go ahead and fold her little cupcake part down. Oh my gosh, look at her little green top is adorable. And her little hands. Okay, so her little arms are movable. And so let's go ahead. I'm going to put her right here so you could see her. And then let's go ahead and take her little hat with the cherry on top. And we're going to stretch that. Look at that. She is adorable. I really love these. I love everything in miniature. And so let's go ahead and set this aside, and we'll do the blue tray. These are fun. And so let's see, there we go. So you can see the cupcake. Oh, this one has, look at this, lavender hair. And let's go ahead and pull her little orange skirt down with this adorable green top. These are very fashionable. I love these. And so let's go ahead and put her little hat on. Oh, I almost don't even like to cover up her hair because it's so cute. And look at how she looks from the back. Just way too cute. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Forgot to remove these little elastics from the top. Oh my gosh, this one has pink hair. Just complete pink hair. Oh, I love this little skirt. It's got glitter in it and the little purple top. Let's move her little arms. Look at that little face. And so let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and put this on. This looks like a little, almost like a little lemon wedge up here. And let's go ahead and put this on her. And look at that. Oh my gosh, she looks like she's ready to go shopping. I really love them. And so let's go ahead and do this one. I notice a lot of them have like a cherry on top or like something else. This is not like a lemon wedge. I don't know what that is. It almost looks like a piece of candy or something. Of course, not real candy, but anyways, like a little decoration. Look at this. Oh my gosh, her hair is way too cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love her hair. Sort of reminds me of mermaid hair. And so let's go ahead and put her little hat on. And there she is, ready to join her other little cupcake princess friends. So let's start with this one right here on the end. And now this looks like a little lemon wedge or something. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this blue hair, another one with blue hair. And so let's go ahead and pull her little skirt down. Now this one, I want to show you, it has a little split in the plastic in the little dress because the dress is kind of rubbery. And so that was already there. So I would call that a little flaw. But that's okay because these were $1.99 and you get 3 in the package. And she's still very pretty. And so let's go ahead and put her little hat on. And so let's go ahead and stretch that down under her chin. Okay, I'm going to do that over again. Okay, I'm going to move her hair back. There we go. And so now I'm going to place this. And there she is. Very beautiful. She's so pretty, isn't she? So let's take this one right here with the pink icing. Oh, look at this one. And so let's go ahead and turn this upside down. Oh, she's so cute. And look, she has a little blue streak in her hair. I really love that. And let's go ahead and put her little hat on. Her little cupcake hat. So cute. And let's go ahead and set her right there. And this is our last one with the little purple top. Look at this icing. Oh, she has pink hair. And so let's go ahead and turn her upside down. Look how pretty this blue and the purple look together. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put her little cupcake hat on. There she is. So pretty. So each cupcake surprise doll comes with a scent, but to be honest, I can't really smell anything. It's very faint. And so, but it really doesn't matter because I think these are so adorable. I really love these. And for $1.99, you get 3 in the package. I think that's a really great deal at the 99-cent only store. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.